Welcome to SlowTalk English, the podcast that helps you learn English through calm, clear, and meaningful listening. Today, we embark on a fascinating exploration into a realm often overlooked in language acquisition, the surprising role of music in learning English. For many, music is a source of entertainment, a backdrop to our lives. But what if I told you that the melodies and rhythms we enjoy hold a profound, scientifically backed power to accelerate and deepen your English learning? We'll delve into recent research, bridging the worlds of neuroscience, linguistics, and musicality to uncover how this universal language can unlock new pathways to fluency. From childhood, music is intrinsically linked to language development. Think about how children learn their native tongue, often through songs, rhymes, and rhythmic patterns. This isn't a coincidence. Our brains are wired to process both music and language in remarkably similar ways. Neuroscientific studies reveal overlapping neural networks involved in processing pitch, rhythm, and syntax, whether it's in a symphony or a sentence. This shared cognitive architecture suggests that engaging with music can prime your brain for language acquisition, making it a powerful yet often underestimated tool. Let's explore this idea together. One of the most immediate benefits of music in language learning is its impact on pronunciation and intonation. English, like any language, has its own unique rhythm and stress patterns. When you listen to English songs, you're not just hearing words, you're internalizing the natural flow, the rise and fall of speech. Research indicates that musical training, even passive listening, can enhance your ability to perceive and reproduce these subtle phonetic nuances, leading to more natural and accurate pronunciation. It's a form of implicit learning where your brain absorbs patterns without conscious effort, much like a child learning to speak. Here's something you might not have considered, the role of music in vocabulary acquisition and memory retention. Songs are incredibly effective mnemonic devices. The melody, rhythm, and emotional content of a song create multiple pathways for information to enter and be retrieved from your memory. Think of how easily you can recall song lyrics from years ago, even if you haven't heard the song recently. This phenomenon, known as the earworm effect, demonstrates music's power to embed information deeply. When new English vocabulary is presented within a musical context, it becomes more memorable, more accessible, and less prone to the forgetting curve. Studies have shown that learners who engage with vocabulary through songs often exhibit better long-term retention than those using traditional methods. Beyond the mechanics of language, music plays a crucial role in motivation and emotional engagement. Learning a new language can be challenging, and maintaining motivation is key. Music offers an enjoyable, low-pressure environment for immersion. It reduces anxiety, makes the learning process more pleasurable, and fosters a positive emotional connection with the language. When you enjoy the process, you're more likely to persist, to seek out more exposure, and to engage more deeply with the material. This emotional scaffolding is a powerful, often overlooked aspect of successful language learning. What if we looked at this from another angle? The cultural immersion that music provides. Music is a window into culture. By listening to English songs, you're not just learning words, you're absorbing cultural references, idioms, and expressions in their natural context. This holistic approach enriches your understanding of the language beyond its grammatical rules, making your English more authentic and nuanced. It connects you to the living, breathing language as it's used by native speakers, fostering a deeper appreciation and a more profound connection. Ultimately, the surprising role of music in learning English is a testament to the interconnectedness of our cognitive abilities. It's about recognizing that language acquisition isn't solely a linguistic endeavor, but a multifaceted process that benefits from engaging various parts of our brain. By intentionally incorporating music into your English learning journey, you're not just adding a pleasant pastime, you're leveraging a powerful, scientifically backed tool to enhance your pronunciation, boost your vocabulary, sustain your motivation, and deepen your cultural understanding. It's about learning English not just with your mind, but with your heart and soul. Thanks for listening. That was today's episode of SlowTalk English. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember, keep listening, keep growing.